since as you can see I'm going through the process, and at the same time I'm talking to you, the entire process is, to be very honest, is painless. Hey, hello everyone, my name is Tathagat Roy. I hope you have seen in my earlier video. So today is my OT day, and right now the procedure is going on, as you can see over here. So I came around the clinic, which is at 7:15. Then after 7:15 I obviously had my breakfast, which was being offered by the clinic, and then few medicines, few precautionary medicines which I had, and then the procedure started. So starting from the procedure, if I have to tell you very honestly, a little bit of anesthesia. Obviously, you know it. Before every procedure, anesthesia is required just to make sure that you are not feeling the pain, so that your muscles are numb. While the procedure will be going on, your muscles will be numb. And then after that, you can see the procedure is going on, and it will take around, depending on the number of grafts that you need for your procedure for the hair transplant, it will take around roughly around 8 to 10 hours probably. If not, maybe less, then that's fine. But yeah, I think the procedure is absolutely fine, is going on. To be very honest, the surgery or the process is very much painless because of the entire, obviously the anesthesia is there, and the way the doctors and the nurses, they were handling everything precisely and efficiently. And moreover, if I have to tell you very honestly, they were checking in every now and then just to make sure that if you are all right or not. Even if you are not all right, then probably the nurses will make sure that you are all right. So yeah, everyone must be thinking that should I go for a hair transplant or not, right? Even someone is facing a hair loss journey. Maybe someone is used to taking medication just to make sure that by using the medication the hair will come back. But let me tell you all, the hair won't come back. And that is the reason hair transplant is required. And why is it important for, let's say, for me, for anyone who is suffering from a hair loss journey? Why is it important? It's just that if you want to make yourself look confident, if you want to have that phase wherein your friends are calling, your relatives are calling, everyone is calling that, hey, hi brother, you are having a severe hair loss, right? So in that aspect, probably that the statements will be reverted back, right, after you are done with the procedure. So yes, depending on your importance, for me it was very much important, because I mentioned probably in one of my earlier videos that I'm someone who had who had a head full of hair. So I couldn't even imagine looking myself at the mirror with a bald look, right? So I couldn't even imagine myself. And obviously, though I wasn't bald, but yeah, I was going through a hair loss journey. But again, that is the reason I'm over here, to make sure that I can stop it by medication, by doing this transplant. And yeah, it's just that it's to be very honest, it's a life-changing journey. When you look back, when you talk to yourself in front of the mirror, you see a different version of yourself, which will make you feel very confident, very very energetic. That would something which is, I feel like, that you will feel energetic, you will feel confident, you will not be someone who will fear the crowd, fear the audience. You'll not be in a position to talk about wherein, you'll not be in a position to talk about when someone is asking about your hair loss journey. So yeah, that is very important. And yeah, probably if you don't want to feel that way, and if you are someone like me who is going from a hair loss journey, I think this would be the right way, and this is the best way, to be very honest. So everyone, I think this is one question that you will all have in mind, that is, whether you will feel some pain during your process, whether the process is tedious, is it painful, or is it something like that. So since, as you can see, I'm going through the process, and at the same time I'm talking to you, and really I'm smiling. So if you see, the entire process is, to be very honest, is painless. It's just that one anesthesia which is also very painless. It's just that it will be a pinch in the forehead, and I think we all have taken some kind of anesthesia one way or the other. Probably we all have taken injection, right? So it's the feeling of an injection, and that's it. Then the entire portion will be numb. If I have to talk about the QHG clinic in general, now since I am someone who was taking the help of Google, right? Taking the help of Google, taking the help of YouTube, like you all, checking the results and checking the reviews before selecting QHG clinic for my hair transplant journey, right? Now I can tell you for sure, whatever is written in Google, the reviews and the results, they are absolutely in alignment, or that are absolutely in replica of whatever you will be seeing or experiencing over here. So the doctors, the nurses, the staff attendants, everyone, every single one of them, they are absolutely wonderful, and they have been polite at the same time. Their behavior, everything is top notch. And that is why, if you don't believe in my words, if you see in the Google, that is the reason they have such a very high rating, right? So taking the experience or judging from the experience of a patient like me is absolutely similar to what I have seen, or what I have heard, or what I have Googled out in YouTube, in other social medias. So yeah, I think in these two journeys that I had right from the beginning of having a consultation with the doctors and meeting with the doctors and the nurses, everyone have been so wonderful. And yeah, I mean, it's just that if you are someone who is going from the same journey, have a thought about it, and if you want to make a step towards changing in the way you want to look, so this is the right way, and this is the way forward. And I'm betting for sure that you're not going to regret it at any point of your life, because it's a life changing experience for everyone who is suffering from a hair loss journey. So thank you to everyone, including the doctors, including the attendants, including the nurses, and every single one of them who is a part of QHG clinic. So thank you everyone. Probably I will meet again.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.